Look at this ugly ass kid, bro.
What's up, bitch?
Did I say you could get into my car?
Alright, fuck
Dude, the new camera's in stock, bro. Or
is that the new one?
Yeah, it's a new joint. Look how crisp this joint is right here. Like, are you kidding me? Shit's fire. What's new with you?
Yo.
You.
Yo.
Extra sour strip.
The sour strips, are they good?
They're like sour patches.
Oh, really? But better. Interesting.
The duo is here.
The kids?
The duo, you two.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the twins.
Twins.
Yeah.
Twins. What twins?
Liam and Tom.
Leon was here earlier, I think.
Oh, really?
I don't think they're not twins.
Yeah, they are.
They are?
Yeah.
What do you mean? You know that? How can you not tell?
I thought one is older.
Mm-mm.
They always post on their Instagram, they're twins.
Oh. I don't know.
They look pretty much the same. I mean,
Other
Liam has
than the hair color,
yeah,
they look
Liam has
exactly the
slightly
same.
lighter hair color.
I could have sworn Thomas, right? He was older?
Mm-mm.
Never mind.
I mean, he's older by a couple minutes.
Oh.
Is he? I thought Liam was.
I mean,
No matter
Thomas.
what, they're both bitches, so.
Yo.
What makes you say that?
That might be bad.
No,
Good.
Liam is 17. Thomas is. Look at their IG.
What do you mean?
19.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Are you lying? You're freaking lying.
We're in the cut. Got some bench. We're gonna see what's good with it. I have a single at 7 to 8 today, and some back downs. I think Joe has squat. Can you not swim the bar? I'm gonna have to ask you to leave.
Well, not.
First off, Tom's in the building now.
Hello.
He's not gonna have a combo rack to squat on.
I wonder why. Fuck this.
That's good.
Come on.
3, 2, 2.5, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so this concludes our last training session at Power Build for the next couple weeks. I have to go back to Penn State and take finals for like the next week and a half, 2 weeks, and then we'll be back. But this concludes our last workout. We got these new Power Build hoodies in. I'll show you guys this. New Power Build hoodies. I'll put the code down below if you guys want to cop, but woo! Alright. We're back in State College. I didn't film any of like the drive or anything because it was dark. I figured you guys wouldn't be able to see anything. But we drove 3 hours back from Philadelphia to State College. We're here now. We're unpacked. It's like 3 in the morning. I'm just trying to get some food in because we have literally no food in this apartment at all. We have to wake up early tomorrow to go grocery shopping. I'll bring you guys along for that. But I mean, other than that, we have some ramen that we're just making up in the meantime, trying to get ready for tomorrow's squat session. I have a single RP 7 to 8. I'm thinking around the realm of 642, 645. But we're just gonna have to play it by ear and see how we're feeling. So alright, I just woke up in a terrible mood because we were supposed to wake up at like 9 and have a productive day, you know, or wake up at like 10. We're gonna go to the grocery store and just, you know, really get on it. But I just did end up waking up at almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So I don't think it's funny. It's not funny. It's not funny. Stop laughing.
It's funny how you're talking to the camera about it.
Yeah, because I gotta tell him.
Oh my god.
Alright, so we're gonna go to the grocery store and get after it. Come back here, eat a bit, and then go to the gym. I have 0 food in me right now.
I have 0 food in me too.
That's not, and you're just okay with it? Look at this idiot forgot a mask because he's trying to use a t-shirt as fucking mask. No way, no. Alright, so what are we getting?
Shut up.
Gatorade's great for just like having energy throughout your workout. But make sure you're not getting the Gatorade Zero if you guys don't already know, because like you're essentially just drinking water. There's no sugar, no carbs in it, no anything.
Go grocery shopping next weekend too, right?
Yeah, we'll probably go grocery shopping around Saturday.
So I shouldn't need to eat.
I don't know.
Fuck you, dude.
Alright, we're back.
Shut up.
Shit ton of Fairlife Gatorade. We're gonna wrap this up, or we're gonna put all this stuff away, eat, and then get to the gym because it's already like an hour and a half later than we wanted to get there originally. But for one reason or another, that shit didn't end up happening. So. Alright, we're at East Coast, first time back in like 3 weeks. Joe's benching everything. Got the new kilos and new set, and we're waiting for the 2.5 plates or the 2.5 kg plates to come tomorrow. But he's gonna bench. I think he has some sets. You have some sets of doubles, right? And then I have some squat. And we're gonna get right into it. The whole gym's empty, so like we're gonna be. I'm on the aux right now. We're gonna get it popping in here.
My girl showed me love, she know I make sacrifices. And if it's real love, then you make sacrifices. To get ahead, man, you gotta make sacrifices. Fuck it, dog, that's how I make my appetizers. I know my brain.
Alright, see, this is what I was talking about. Oh. Yeah, you gotta roll it on.
How you doing there, buddy? This is fucking hilarious.
Increase the guy.
Where?
Right here. Every time it creases, you gotta pull it down so you can roll it on. Oh, is that crease right there?
No, there's no crease.
There was, right there. See, that's fucked.
No, it's not.
You can get it better. But, I mean, it is what it is.
Yeah, I know.
You gotta flex your cap back and forth.
The first time someone's ever wanted smaller caps.
Dude, RP 10.
Right there. Get that cap big. Look at those. Look at that cap big.
Bro, your feet are there.
Oh, there you go. Look, see, it's like...
I know.
It's like, you have like 5 layers there. You gotta straighten that out.
I don't know how.
Put your fingers under this one.
Ow.
Like my bitch booty got done like the old couch trying to shut my ass up.
This shit low-key worked, though.
Yeah, it came.
It
came. It's it copied.
It's living. Oh, alright, we got it. It's there. That definitely worked. I don't think you have either.
It's sweaty out here.
Dude.
Holy shit.
That was the hardest thing I ever
that. Holding is what makes that shit hurt. Let's go, big dog, game time.
Powerful Sith you will become.
Come on! Alright, let's go!
You shall be known as
All day long.
Darth Vader.
Come on!
Okay, I got it copied. 2020, but I can't see nobody. One eye open, Illuminati. This might be the verse that make them drop me. Ain't making friends, we just making hobbies. Know that was my girl, that was just a hobby. Call her 50, tell her load up the lobby. Elevator up, no need to find me. Yeah, yeah. X-ray vision, see for you niggas. Newspaper scan, we press the issue. We ain't sending shots, we launching missiles. Checking the reward, I'm going mental. Fucking up my room, I've been racking up incidentals. Looking on the tune, I've been shifting up instrumentals. Nothing else to do when you riding in the back of the backseat. Gotta run around like I'm running a track. Gotta run my back now, cause these niggas.
Gotta go to the red to get the gold, bro.
Alright, we just got done 3 sets of 8. I did my first 2 sets with 506. I still can't catch my breath. Did my first 2 sets with 506 and then dropped for my third set of 8 I dropped to 485, which is 220 kilos. And that was all after my 643.5 single, which moved super well. I'm really happy with it. I attribute it partially to the medium sleeves. As you guys saw, it took me a million years to get into those, but I think that's gonna wrap it up for the